Welcome back to Cali, Resin, and Stuff. Today, let's make some pincushion cupcakes. I'm that person that keeps all party favors, and this pincushion was gifted to me over 10 years ago from someone in my church. My mom was turning 70 years old, and I needed some party favors that reflected her life as a seamstress or tailor. These pincushions are adorable in the simplest form or more intricate form. To begin, I needed a template. For my circle, I grabbed some random things around the house. A page from a word search puzzle and a pie pan. I got my fabric from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. The smaller the print, the better. You'll see why in a moment. Attach the template to the material with the sewing pins. Now let's cut out our circles. You can cut out several layers at once. I only know how to sew by hand, and really I think this is the only way that you would do this project. You'll weave that threaded needle around the circumference of the circle. Once you've gone completely around, you'll pull that string and it should end up looking like this. Now we can stuff our cupcake. I preferred cotton filling, but I could only find polyester in the store. You just keep filling that cupcake until it reaches the consistency you want it to be. I wanted mine to be pretty stiff or firm. After closing your cupcake, you can now attach it to the silicone baking cup. Just like my sample, I formed a small X underneath the baking cup. I did have to do this a few times just to reinforce it and make sure that it was secure. I didn't want the sewing pins to get lost in the busyness of the pattern or the cupcake, so I wanted to add icing. I created a template on a piece of cardboard and drew out my icing. The icing are felt sheets. I used hot glue to attach the icing to the cupcake. This one was the first one that I made, but really you do not need that much glue. You only need a dab of glue on the points of the icing. These sparkly pom-poms are from Amazon as well. And for this also, only a dab of hot glue is needed. These sewing pins are from Amazon. I found some treat bags with an adhesive strip at Hobby Lobby. These handmade with love stickers are from Temu. This project was a lot of fun. It didn't take much time, and I'm already on my third batch. The purpose of this channel is to uplift and inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!